In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted pages in Notion. If you've ever accidentally deleted a page in Notion, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the simple process to get it back. First, let's open up Notion on your device. You might notice that deleted pages aren't immediately visible, so I completely understand if you're feeling a bit concerned. The great thing, however, is that Notion has a built-in feature to help you retrieve pages you've accidentally removed, making this moment of panic brief. So, to start, you'll want to look for the bin, also referred to as the trash or deleted items section. This is typically symbolized by an icon resembling a trash can, and you can usually find it embedded within your sidebar. If you're not seeing it right away, try expanding your sidebar or looking in your workspace menu, especially if your sidebar is in a condensed mode. This is the first and most crucial step in accessing previously deleted content within Notion. Once you've located and clicked on your bin, you'll see a list of items you've deleted recently. The entry of each deleted page usually comes with a time frame, showing how long ago each deletion happened. This feature is especially helpful if you're trying to recall when exactly you became separated from your crucial work. Now browse through this list to find the page you're hoping to restore. Remember, patience is key here if there's a long list of items. Go over them carefully so you don't miss your page among the other entries. After you've located the desired page in your bin, the process of recovering it is straightforward. Hover over or right-click on the specific page, and you should see the option to recover, restore, or undelete. Clicking on this will effectively restore the page back to its original location or the main workspace where it previously existed. It's a very user-friendly feature designed to quickly bring back your hard work. There are a couple of additional things to remember. Once restored, you might need to adjust where the page fits back into your organizational structure, as it might not automatically hierarchically resort itself. Additionally, if your page isn't immediately returned to the active workspace, try refreshing your browser or Notion app, as sometimes a quick refresh helps Notion realign everything properly and display up-to-date content. In conclusion, recovering deleted pages in Notion is quite a straightforward task once you locate your bin and understand the process. Always remember that your work isn't necessarily gone just because it's been removed. By following these steps, you can effectively mitigate any panics over accidentally lost pages and get right back to your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you reclaim your Notion page with confidence.